This guide will walk you through how to set up your employee leave in the Single Touch Plus application. Let's go. Click the Home menu item or the fingerprint logo to navigate to the home screen. Click the Employees menu option to navigate to the employee list. In the employee list, you may search for the employee you want to work on by typing in the employee name, payroll ID, or any other employee information. Click on the employee when you have found them. To open the Leave Accruals section, click on Leave in the side menu. You can now create new employee leave accruals by clicking the Leave Accrual box in the list. Select the leave accrual you want to add in the list displayed. The start date should already have defaulted to the employee hire date. If this is not the case, enter the leave start date. For a new employee, the Accrued To field should be empty. For employees that have accrued a leave balance, enter the date that balance was accrued up to. If your employee accrues the same amount of leave each pay period and the leave is not based on the time they work, then in the Units field, enter the number of hours your employee accrues each year for this type of leave. For example, for annual leave, this is typically 4 weeks, which amounts to 152 hours if the employee works 7.6 hours per day. Please make sure you calculate the correct number of hours before you proceed and enter that into the Units field. Proceed by entering the employee accrual balance in the Total Balance field. For a new employee, this should be 0. For employees with an accrual balance, enter the balance as at the Accrued To date. If your employee accrues based on time worked, tick the tick box Accrue on time worked and change the Units field to reflect the amount the employee accrues for each hour they work. Please make sure you calculate and enter the correct units value before you proceed. To add more leave accruals, repeat the previous steps. When you are done, make sure you review and check all the leave accrual dates, factors, units and balances. And don't forget to click Save Changes to save your accruals. You have now successfully configured employee leave accruals in the Single Touch application. Make sure you watch the other tutorial videos. Thank you for choosing Single Touch Plus.